If you've ever wondered which credit cards you should actually have, this video's for you. Your perfect setup depends on one simple thing: your income. I'm going to walk you through the exact card stack for 5 income levels, from $40,000 all the way up to $400,000 a year. Most people pick cards based on flashy ads, not their actual spending. That's why they leave thousands of dollars on the table every single year. By the end of this video, you'll know the right cards for your bracket and the mistakes that are quietly draining your wallet. Let's get into it. At $40,000 a year, every dollar matters. Your goal isn't points or perks, it's building credit and earning a little cash back along the way. Stick to just 1 or 2 cards with 0 annual fee. Something simple, something you'll actually pay off in full every single month. A flat 1.5 to 2% cashback card on everything is your best friend at this level. Boring? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. If you have time to optimize, add a rotating 5% category card. Use it for whatever the bonus category is that quarter and put everything else on your flat rate card. Skip anything with an annual fee right now. The math almost never works at this income level, no matter how shiny the metal card looks. At $75,000 a year, you have more breathing room. Now it actually makes sense to optimize around your spending categories.
Add a grocery card that pays 4 to 6% on supermarkets. If you're feeding a family, this one card can pay for itself 10 times over. Then add a dining card. Restaurants and takeout add up faster than people realize, and a good dining card pays 3 to 4% on every meal. Run the numbers. At this income, an annual fee under $100 usually pays for itself by month 3 if you spend in the right categories. Your wallet now has 3 cards: 1 for groceries, 1 for dining, and 1 flat rate for everything else. Simple, optimized, and profitable. At $125,000, you graduate to travel rewards. This is where points start beating cashback by a wide margin. A mid-tier travel card with transferable points becomes your foundation. We're talking the Chase Sapphire Preferred, or the equivalent in your country. Pair it with 2 no-fee cards from the same bank to build what people call the trifecta. 1 earns 5% rotating, 1 earns 1.5 flat. All your points pool together on the premium card. When you transfer them to airline partners, 1 point can suddenly be worth 2 cents or more. A weekend getaway that costs $400 cash might cost only 20,000 points. That's basically a free trip every single year. But here's the warning. Don't chase points by overspending. The moment you buy something you wouldn't have bought anyway, the math breaks completely.
At $200,000 a year, premium cards start making real sense. Your spending is finally high enough to absorb annual fees of $300 to $700. This is the tier for the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the Amex Gold, or the Amex Platinum. Real benefits, real fees, and real returns when used right. Lounge access alone can save you hundreds per year if you travel even occasionally. Add in travel credits, hotel status, and rideshare credits, it adds up fast. Mark your renewal date on the calendar. Every year, sit down and add up what you actually got back. If the benefits don't beat the fee, downgrade it. Most people at this level should have 3 to 4 cards: 1 premium travel, 1 premium category, 1 flat rate, and 1 business card if you have a side hustle. Speaking of side hustles, if you earn even $1,000 on the side, get a business card. Separate spending, bigger sign-up bonuses, and way more points. At $400,000 and above, you're in the full stack zone. We're talking 5, 6, sometimes 7 cards, all working together as a system. The Amex Platinum, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the Amex Business Platinum, these are your anchors. Each one has annual fees of over $500. But the perks now include real things: global lounge access, hotel elite status, airline credits, and statement credits across dozens of everyday categories. At this level, points become currency. 500,000 points can fly your whole family business class to Tokyo for almost nothing out of pocket.
Track every benefit on a spreadsheet. If you don't track it, you don't use it, and you're just lighting hundreds of dollars in fees on fire every year. The biggest trap at this level is lifestyle creep. The cards should serve your life, not the other way around. Never spend to chase points you don't need. No matter your income, never close your oldest credit card. The length of your credit history matters more than most people realize. Missing even one payment can wipe out an entire year of rewards in late fees and interest. Set up autopay for the full balance, not the minimum. Don't chase every sign-up bonus you see. Banks have rules, like Chase's 524, that lock you out if you open too many cards too fast. Write down what each card actually does for you. If you can't explain it in one sentence, you probably don't need that card in your wallet. And remember, none of this matters if you carry a balance. 20% interest beats any 2% cashback every single time. Your credit card setup should grow with your income, not race ahead of it. Start simple, optimize as you earn more, and let the system do the work. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. I drop a new video every week breaking down money topics exactly like this one. Drop your income bracket in the comments, and I'll tell you the next card I'd add to your wallet. See you in the next video.